You my superhero. Did you get Daddy? Where you going, superhero? Okay, be careful. You don't jump. You need to go down slowly. Oh. Oh, turn your cape around. Put it right behind your back. Here, come over here. Mommy will help you. There you go. Good job. Superhero, where are you going? This is our small one-bedroom apartment at Hacienda Gardens. There's Daddy, he's sleeping. Here's my superhero. What you doing, superhero? I can't see you. Where are your eyes? Can you see out of that? Be careful. You're so silly. Do you want Mommy to adjust your mask, or you got it? Oh, there he is. It's Keaton. It's not a superhero. It's Keaton. Keaton, what's your name?
Keaton Allen.
Keaton Allen. Can you say Keaton Allen Anderson?
Keaton Allen Anderson.
Yep. Do you need help? Oh, good job. Do you want help?
That's fine.
Come here. Have Mommy help you.
My dad is Allen. I can't get pee on.
Okay, do you need help? Come here. Okay, let's see. There we go. Is that better?
Yes.
Can you see better like that?
Don't fix this, Mommy. Nice. What's wrong?
What's wrong?
A young spot down?
The lamp?
A lamp?
Yeah, the lamp fell down.
Oh no, that's terrible.
That's terrible?
That's really dirty, so now.
Okay.
Stop. That's bad.
That's bad.
That's smash. What to do?
Okay, you be nice to Daddy. All right.